Step into our manufacturing floor.
See these neatly stacked paperboards. Every premium box starts right here at our cutting zone. Raw materials are precision sliced to your exact specs. And all surface finishes are completed right inside this very workshop. Efficient, standardized, and direct from source. Our expert design team delivers customized structural packaging layouts in just 24 hours. Our advanced Heidelberg and Komori printing facilities with automated color management to minimize color variance. Our precision die cutting and efficient waste stripping ensure a razor-sharp, zero-tolerance finish for every box. This is our high-carbon steel dies enduring 300,000 runs with zero error. A premium investment for long-term precision. We offer complimentary storage for your custom dies for 1 to 2 years. After printing and die cutting, your boxes arrive at our high-speed automatic folder gluer, running at about 30,000 units per hour. Machinery counts every box automatically during operation. For your convenience, our back-end packing team bundles them into neat, customized stacks based on your requested quantities, making your inventory count absolutely effortless. Our QC team performs meticulous on-site inspections, guaranteeing every box flawlessly matches your exact standards. Welcome to our sticker printing room. Equipped with 6 advanced machines, our daily output reaches up to 4 million units. Here is the raw materials area. You can see both roll form and sheet form stickers material. These are transparency sticker raw materials and sheet forming samples. We offer rapid 1-day sampling and 4-day bulk delivery. From transparent to paper stickers, shapes and sizes are fully customizable. You can also choose stickers thickness and paper quality. As you can see, we provide both transparent and paper-based options. Shapes and sizes are 100% tailor-made to your requirements, supporting a maximum printing width of up to 40 centimeters. This is the second floor, handcrafted molding area of the gift box. After surface finishing on the first floor, our premium gift boxes arrive here for final assembly. This is our warehouse and shipping area. Contact us to customize your packaging needs.